Substations are the heart of the energy grid, taking high-voltage electricity from power lines and changing it into lower-voltage electricity to safely power our homes, schools, and businesses, and help meet the ever-growing energy demands across North Carolina. Two important parts of a substation are transformers and capacitor banks. Transformers bring high-voltage electricity down to safe levels, while capacitor banks help control the flow of electricity to keep it stable. Substations help support the energy transition by adding new energy resources to the grid and improving reliability for customers. Substations are quiet, other than a low hum. But because they manage high-voltage electricity, safety is key, and you should keep your distance. Never try to enter a substation or climb over its fence. Equipment is protected by this perimeter and monitored remotely, and workers visit regularly to check that everything is running well. As we look to the future, projects to upgrade existing substations and build new ones are necessary to meet the growing energy needs of our communities. They help strengthen the electrical grid, increase capacity, reduce outages, and restore power faster, making it easy to see why substations are an important investment toward building a cleaner, smarter energy future for us all.